Good morning! Almusal natin ngayong araw. Mainit na kanin, kamatis at tuyo. Ayan guys, oh. Kasarap naman guys, oh. Ayan. Ang ating unang of the day. Wow! It's yummy yummy. Si-off na natin yung kalan guys. I-off natin ang kalan. Good morning mga kananay dyan sa bahay. So, it's Sabado day. Yung iba may work, yung iba wala nang work. Ako may work, char. Magwawalis tayo. Last day na namin ngayon guys. So, ayan lang guys. Pwede na to. Thank you for watching and thank you sa support nyo lahat. Laging panonood ng aking video. Ayun ang ating almusal of the day. Bye guys!